Hey everyone, this is Apocalypse Shard of the North American servers. I'm here doing another demo for my newest version of the recommended item changer for the in-game shop for League of Legends. If you've already seen the first demo video, you don't really need to watch this. It's pretty straightforward. There's just a couple extra things that I figured would merit a new video. I realize that I'm only a member on the forum, so feel free to look up who I am in-game. I'm level 30. I've been here for over a year. This is my main. Alright, so let's get to it. You can check, make sure if you already have it, you're downloading the 1.1. If you do already have the previous version, this version's install should remove the previous version, so you don't have to worry about it too much. I can vouch for mine, but nobody else's. It's only going to do exactly what I say it does, nothing else. So let's get started. Let's do download. Like I said, most of you probably already know how to do this stuff. It's just figured I'd go through the entire process here. This is alright, there we go. Go ahead and roll over here and extract it. Extract it to my documents. That point really doesn't matter. And go ahead and do the setup. And the reason it is 3.6 whatever, 3.2 megs is the portrait information for the champions. I'll point it out real quick once we're there. Alright, go ahead and install this. Alright, so actually scratch that what I just said. I had to edit this, cut this together. You do have to uninstall manually the first one. It should be the name should be under this right here. It should be a well recommended item customizer. It should be right under your League of Legends install. Just go ahead and go into Control Panel and remove it. Otherwise, it'll complain about it already being installed from a different location. I apologize for that. But yeah, go ahead and install. And then after the installation, this is what you get right here. It's fairly straightforward. These are the portraits that I was referring to. This is what takes up a majority of the space. Go ahead and either pick Summoner's Rift / Twisted Tree Line, which is the classic game modes, or either the Dominion. There are Dominion items, Entropy, Sanguine Blade, and all those. I do not have Prospector's Blade and Ring or Oracle Extract included. I couldn't figure out the item IDs for those, but everything else is included and will function correctly. I have tested it before. So just a quick run through. Let's say we're making a classic build. Go ahead and select anybody. Let's go with Vlad. And then start adding our items here. We'll go, let's get a Haunting in here. Then we'll go, I'll add the same disclaimer as I did earlier. I'm not super pro, so please don't judge my build. This is merely a demonstration. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just searching one by one. Enter starts to search. You can hit the button to double clicking adds it to this list over here. If I want to remove it, I just click it one more time. Let's keep going. And then okay. And then let's see, we need one more. Let's go with that. Alright, so we can go ahead and go with this, but a quick little demo thing. Let's say we want to look for, I don't know, let's do some health and health regen. We can see what items come up for that filtered. We see we got all of these along with whatever else, and right here we see the current build's estimated cost. The reason I say estimated is because when I was transferring data from the actual official League site for the items, some of the items seemed a little different from in-game, but I went ahead and went with them, so I'm not 100% certain. If anybody finds either filtered items that are incorrect or missing, or prices that are incorrect, please do let me know. I'll be happy to fix them, and I will be, as I find them as myself, I'll be fixing them. On that same note, feel free to suggest features or different functionality that you would like to see. You already see kind of what I got planned there in the thread, but if you have anything else that you think would be useful and other people would like, do let me know. I'd be happy to implement it if it's possible. Aside from that, let's see what else. Alright, so we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and save. And then this is basically the main reason that I started the first demo, is to where you're actually setting this folder. What you want to do is you don't want to select the League of Legends folder. You want to select the Riot Games folder. The reason this is because of how the customization works. The file that I have to create is within this project, so I could dig down and show you, but if you look up the post by Brackhar, that was, I believe, around the end of August, he details it, but that's all I'm really doing is I'm automating this creation, so you guys don't have to worry about it, and I just deal with it. But this is the Riot Games folder is the one that you want. Let me go ahead. And this is also one of the new things is I already have a build for Vlad, but I'm going to go ahead and change it so I can go ahead and do, yes, I want to overwrite, and we now have our build. And let's actually pop over to the League real quick and check it out in game. So we'll go ahead and pick Vladimir.
The rivers will run red.
Page doesn't matter, whatever. Walk in. And see you in game. Alright everybody, we're back.
A vital decision.
As you can see, we have everything that we just entered here. We've got Fun Guys, Spirit Size, Shrylines, Sword Ancients, Warmongs, and Rabadons. And that's basically it.
Let it all out.
Like I said earlier, check the thread, check YouTube. Any comments, feedback is very much appreciated. If you have any suggestions, as long as they're feasible, I'd be happy to
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Bug fixes and all that as well. If you have bugs, there's a couple that I know that I'm working on, but any help that you can provide in that area is very much appreciated, and I hope this saves you guys all a decent amount of work, and thanks.